claim the free $12 from BRIVOX Airdrop and how to use it to mint your free NFT. And that NFT is withdrawable. That NFT is convertible. You can convert it and withdraw it into USDT, right? So let's go. If you click on the link that I'm going to drop, this link is going to be either in the description of my video and also on the comment section of this video, right? So all you need to do is, and I'm going to also drop it on my Telegram channel. So if you're not in my Telegram channel, do well to join, because I'll also be dropping more updates, and that's the place you can ask questions. Also, if you have any question as well, you can drop it in the video, in the comment section of this video. If you want me to give you more updates, or you're already into the project but you want more clarifications, drop your question on the comment section of this video and I'll answer you, right? So as you click on the link, it is going to bring you on this interface, right? I am using web telegram because I am using tablet. If you use a phone, it will open direct. This is the place that it will open. You will not see this side, this other side. It will just open here, right? Then you click on this BRIVOX Web3. If you click on it, the first thing they're going to show you is that they're going to tell you that for you to claim this free money, that they're going to redirect you to the website, right? And they're going to redirect. So all you need to do is to click on that confirm. They will show you a confirm button. The reason why they have not showed me is because I've already registered. As you click on that confirm button, it will bring you here, and that's all you need to do to get this $12. You don't need to join any Telegram group, do this one, do that one. No. Then after that, the next thing for you to do is you can come here. You can come to NFT. You can see where NFT is. Let me show you. NFT, see here, right? You see here. You click on it. You click on it. I decided not to use my own to buy NFT yet, because I wanted to use it to show you exactly how to go about it. Let it open. If it opens, you see that there are a lot of NFTs that you can mint from. This one is the one that your $12 can mint, but they will give you 0.1 cent every day. That means that it will take you 10 days for you to withdraw $1, right? It will take you 10 days for you to withdraw $1. But that $1, if it gets to $1, you can withdraw it and you're not paying any charge. It will send to your account direct. Then if you have up to 30, if you put up to $30, you can be withdrawing. They will giving you $2 every day. $2 every day. It means that in the next 10 days, you're withdrawing $20 already, right? That's what it means. So this one, just as higher you go, as that's how the thing goes. And is it paying? Yes. People have withdrawn money already from here. So I'm going to go ahead. I am going to deposit money here, but for the purpose of this video, let me just buy this one and show you how it looks. So you click on buy, right? As you click on buy, successful. It is successful. Now, if you go back to your dashboard, you see that it has started counting. Now I've already gotten 0.1. So in the next 10 days, it will already get to $1. Only that there is a long process. But if you have money, go ahead and put here. Remember, it is not a financial advice. This token is already available. You can see the smart contract here. The smart contract is already available, right? The smart contract is already available. It's also available on OKX. Official reviews. You can go to this. You can get the reviews on Binance, Desk Screener, Dex Tools, and the rest of them, right? So that is basically about this. After they say, you can see what they say there. After the BRIVOX token is listed on the primary market, it will apply for blah 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 and blah. So also do well to do your own due diligence. You can type BRIVOX on your browser and check more informations. Then when you want to convert, there are other activities here. If you want to refer somebody, if you want to refer somebody, all you need to do is let me go back and show you. Sorry, let me go back and show you. There's a place for referral. There's a place for promotion. Let me go to the home page. Home page. You can see referral here. You can see referral. That's promotion. If you click on this promotion, you get your referral link. You copy your referral link and share it to people. And as they register and activate, as they activate, you'll be getting 30% on level one. You'll be getting 30% daily reward on the activation on what they are getting. Level two, you'll be getting 10% daily reward. On level three, you'll be getting 10%. On level four, you'll be getting 10%. That is, if you're as people are as your referrals are getting referrals, you're making money from it. So you can start with the free $12 that they are giving you and do referrals. You can also choose to add your own money. Like me, I'm going to add my own money and also refer people because I've seen people withdraw from it and I want to make money from it before it ends. And this is not just NFT, this is a token that is already on the process to be listed on exchanges. Thank you and God bless you. If you have any question, make sure you ask. And if you don't have, you can also say thank you in the comment section for bringing this update to you because it is not easy. The only thing you can do for me is to like my video, share it, and then comment, drop good comments so that YouTube will recommend this video to other persons. And if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe so that you'll be getting more information like this. Join my Telegram group and let's roll because a lot is coming up that you wouldn't want to miss. Thank you.